Yes, here we are outside and I'm trying to eat my breakfast here, and I guess the seat is taken. But yes, boys are having it on top of these catalogs. I'm about to look at. Oh, looks like fun. Okay, just careful because you're gonna knock off my stuff here on the table. Yeah. That's with the lovely kiwi toast I made. Okay, I guess it's a deadlock here you guys having? Huh? Ah, okay. Oh, I guess she left. No? Oh, it doesn't. Oops! Okay. Yeah, you almost made it knock over. Oops. Yes, I hold it. No problem. Yeah, you guys can just continue on the grass, I guess. Ooh. Yes, a little hissing. Okay, Shima. Yeah. And here is my shadow taking the video. Time out? Hmm? Not quite. Not quite. Okay, you should move a little bit away from this beach chair thingy, because we're going to knock everything off. Okay, I guess I'll hold the chair here, because otherwise it might get knocked over. Okay, I guess the wrestling match is over for now. Or not. Well, I guess it's not over yet. Somebody says it's not over. I would really like to eat though. Yes. So if you guys can continue this on the fake grass, that would be wonderful. Yes. Yeah, Whitey. Shima.